Chief Les Siron. I'm from Bloomington Fire Department, Bloomington, Illinois. We're a department of 102 guys. We run 5 engines, 1 truck company out of 5 stations. This truck we're buying from E1 is going to be replacing one of our engines. It's going to be running with another engine company in our downtown station, our busiest station. We also run 4 ALS ambulance services. Ambulances, we run about 10,000 calls a year. This is our first E1 truck. We looked at E1 and several others, and we thought the quality of the E1 product was something that we wanted. But after demonstrating, having demonstrations on the different models and different brands, it was just the easy use of the truck, the setup of the truck, and having the guys on the floor that used the truck were the ones who got to see the demonstrations, and it really came down between 2 different vendors, and then it came down to the cost of the truck. And the price was right, so that's why we picked this one. Well, we were looking for a single axle ladder truck, and E1 has several. They've got the 78-footer and they've got this 75-footer, and they helped us design a truck to meet our needs, put in place all the things we have in our other trucks, try to incorporate that in there, and also had to fit on our building. One of the things that I like about this truck is the display for the engineer, so he can see the truck. He can, instead of having just a solo in the truck, it has an actual top view of the truck, and you can tell which doors are open, the seat belts aren't above, and it's pretty self-explanatory, which helps our guys out, and it also helps diagnose some of the problems that we have. It's the eMax. Instead of having a giant pump panel here with your pump behind it, this pump's a little bit different the way it's configured. And we have the pump panel, it's all enclosed, and that helps keep dirt and grime out of the levers, and on the pump panel helps keep it a little cleaner. It also puts everything in one nice little place. One of the things that this one has too that none of our other trucks have is we have control of the area from here, from the engineers. So if the engineer's working and we've got the truck set up in a fire, we need to adjust it, he can do that from down here instead of having to run up on the back and use the pedestal controls up there. It also has a lot of compartment space in it. With the 2 large compartments in the front, it helps us put a lot of the tools in there that we usually store in other compartments on our other trucks. This will help us put all our extrication tools in here. It's just got a lot of space on it to put stuff. We probably won't even fill it up. I'm very happy with the bid process, the build process, and just working with E1 generally on the whole project.